Hi there and welcome to our pronunciation reference course. My name's Sophie and I've been with you learning the 44 English sounds. Today we're on number 5 and that sound is the sound D. Now the sound D can be found in different words like dog, deer and duck. I know, they're all animal based today. Dog, deer and duck. Now your turn. Fantastic! Now the sound D is known as a voiced and a consonant sound. It's also known as an alveolar stop. Whoa, another new term, hey? Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. So by the words alveolar stop, we mean that we stop the airflow from the air not going anywhere past the ridge behind the teeth and the tongue. So we use the tongue and the ridge of the teeth just behind it to stop the air passing through. So let me show you really quickly. Right then, so we keep our mouth really nice and loose. We put the tongue at the top, by the ridge of the teeth at the back of them. And as we voice out, we release the tongue back into the mouth to release that pressure that builds up there. Are we ready? Tongue at the teeth, ready to drop it back for the air. D. D. And your turn. D. And those words again. Dog, duck, deer. Wonderful. Now your turn. Perfect. So the words dog, duck and deer have the sound D at the beginning. Words that aren't so animal related, like buddy and address, have the D sound in the middle. Words like bad and bed have the D sound at the end. Can you think of any more words with D in? I bet you can think of loads. And don't forget that practice really does make perfect. You keep on going and remember to use your Lingwiser app. The chance for you to learn these English words and phrases really easily and really quickly. I'll see you next time for our 6th sound. Bye!